Hello everyone, I am Ramsés from DevOps-Pills, and in this video we are going to learn how to install Create React App without problems and how to solve the error a template was not provided. Okay, let's start. First we need to have Node.js installed to run Create React App. I'll leave in the description below the link to the official page. Next, in the Create React App documentation, we can see that with Create React App, we use npx to have access to the package without having it installed in our machine globally. If we use the global installation instead, like this, install-g create react app, this is not going to work. So, let's see what happens when we use npx create react app and the name of your application. I'll use React Practice as my application name. And then we have to press enter. This throws us the error a template was not provided. This is caused because we have installed an outdated version of the package globally. The solution for this problem is that we have to search for the outdated package and uninstall it, or pass an option -- ignore existing, like this. That, as its name says, ignores the existing package and in our computer, and this forces the installation. But if we want to finally solve our problem, we need to use npm uninstall-g create react app, or if we are using yarn, the command is yarn remove global create react app, and this may solve our problem. If this don't solve the problem, we have a package somewhere in our computer, so we have to find and uninstall it. How can we do that? Well, let's open our console and execute where and the name of the package if we are using Windows, or if you are using Mac or Linux, the which command is going to do the same task. We need to write where or which create react app, and this is going to show us a route where the package file is placed. Then we have to use the del command if we are working on Windows, or the rm command for Mac and Linux to delete the file that the console is showing to us. Finally, we use again npx create react app and the name of our application to see that now we don't have that error anymore, and then initialize our application, entering the application folder and executing the command npm start. As you can see, this was a successful installation of Create React App, and now you can build your own React application without errors. If this fix works for you, please visit our blog page DevOps-Pills.com and subscribe to receive more content about these topics.